So what you're seeing here is the outside of the nest. This is our little sitting area. We have our chairs. And Keith, of course, is getting this on camera. And so we see our plants. And I have my little herb garden with us. We have our little barbecue. And we have since added our EmptyNestNomads stickers. So on the road, people can see us. And there's our wind spinner. And then you can see the far end where all our plug-ins are, our water and our sewer. And there's our truck. This is entering, this is the front door coming into the nest. We are welcomed by that awesome sign that Dap got us before we even got started. And that's the door coming in. And you're going to see into our little dinette area. There are 2 extra chairs. When we get people over, the table gets bigger. We have our family there, a little buffet. Lots of storage space above the table, which we really need and enjoy. There's a lot of places to put paper goods and kind of things that we can't use every day, but we need some place to store for when we do. And then this is our seating area. This is where we spend a lot of time. It's pretty relaxing. These are leather chairs, and of course, based on the color, you can tell that Jen got them. And you can see Xena likes her little space. That's her brand new nest dog bed, Posturepedic dog, but she's of course laying on the sofa. It's a leather sofa, and we got lots of storage up top there. We have stuff like Christmas decorations. And then this is the entertainment area. Up top is the LG TV, and it actually moves. There's things in back of it, an LG soundbar. Down below is the fireplace, an electric fireplace. Of course, we had to bring our bit of Buddha to keep us in our Zen-like state with us. And then you're going to see up top is our ceiling fan. You know, we couldn't live without a ceiling fan, so we have one in the family room. And that's our little desk area, our little office area for videoing and editing. Coming into the kitchen here, really love the kitchen. Lots of pantry space. I have a microwave / convection oven. It is a gas stove and a full oven. Lots of counter space. And here you can see is our pantry with some glass doors and our full-size refrigerator with an ice maker. So that's been really awesome as well. Next, we're kind of heading up steps into the bathroom and bedroom area. There are a wall of pictures, so we are not constantly missing our family and especially our friends. We kind of have them on the road with us. So you go up, and that is our bedroom door with the Zen chimes on it. And to the left is the bathroom area. So we have a separate toilet and vanity area. So to the left here, there's our pocket door, so you can go to the bathroom and have some privacy. This is our shower. Of course, I have to have a plant in it, and it has a skylight, so that makes it nice and big and seem really big and bright. These kind of cool tri-doors that also provide some privacy. And then the commode has a little bit of storage, and we have the bright colors going on there. Over to the left there, that is our fan, our fantastic fan, and that provides just some air constantly. Also has a rain sensor, and that's one of our light switches. It's all electronic, and each room has several of them. That's been kind of cool. So when it rains, that fantastic fan shuts itself. There's our vanity area where all the beauty takes place, or not so much. And then just some photos here to kind of capture those things. And there, of course, going in, there's Jen's closet. There's my washer and dryer, which I love. We have a pocket door going into our bedroom. And then this is the bedroom. This is Keith's side of the bed. And then you can kind of see Jen's side of the bed. Great storage at the very top there. Nice place to put our clothes. And there's our TV. You can see that from the area where we are from bed. We can have a nice TV. And there's Keith's closets and some extra drawers. And this is actually getting ready to exit. There's our Dewey paraphernalia and to leave our bedroom, going back towards the front door again. And so that is the nest. We hope you enjoyed.